Hello and welcome to the channel. Today we're going to talk about an investment strategy that is not only easy but also can be quite profitable. It is dividend stocks. But before we do, here's a disclaimer for you to keep in mind again. The opinions expressed in this channel are our own and cannot be considered as the official stance of the market. So please don't take any of the information or opinions presented in our articles as recommendations or investment advice. Remember, always do your own research before making any big investment moves. Nowadays, with just a few taps on your phone, you can easily invest in dividend-paying stocks. But first, let's dive into what dividend stocks are. Dividend stocks are stocks that pay out dividends to their investors, and there are different ways to define a good dividend stock. You can look at the dividend yield, which is calculated by dividing the latest dividend by the stock price or examine the company's historical dividend development. What are the benefits of investing into dividend stocks then? Investing in dividend stocks provides investors with two sources of return: regular dividend income and potential stock price appreciation. Dividend stocks are a great way to build a diversified portfolio with relatively low risk. To do so, you can choose from different brokers and trading platforms. And before you invest, make sure you do your research on what are good dividend stocks for your portfolio. And to give you some ideas, here are some reputable companies with decent dividend yield. First up, we have AT&T, a telecommunications giant with a dividend yield of over 7%. That's right, you heard correctly, over 7%. They've been paying out dividends for over a century and have even increased their dividend payments for over 35 consecutive years. Talk about commitment. Next on our list is P&G, the consumer goods company that makes everything from Tide laundry detergent to Pampers diapers. Have dividend yield of around 2.5% and have paid uninterrupted dividends for over 130 years. That's seriously a long time. Another great dividend-paying stock is Johnson & Johnson. They have a dividend yield of around 2.7% and have been increasing their dividend payments for over 50 consecutive years. Plus, with their focus on healthcare and consumer products, they are relatively stable stock that's less affected by market volatility. And last, but certainly not least, we have Coca-Cola, the beloved beverage company that's been around for over a century. Have dividend yield of around 3.1% and have been paying uninterrupted dividends for over 60 years. So if you're looking for a stable stock with a long history of paying dividends, Coca-Cola might be just the company for you. Remember, when it comes to investing in dividend stocks, it's important to do your research and choose a company that fits your investment goals and risk tolerance. With so many great dividend-paying stocks out there, there's bound to be a company that's right for you. So why not give dividend investing a try and see how it can benefit your portfolio? Let's talk still a bit about the dates. The shareholders meeting day is a crucial date for dividend investors because that's when they can decide on matters like dividend distribution. It's like a big party, but instead of cake, you get cold hard cash, and who doesn't love that? The ex-dividend day is also another important day to keep in mind. After this day, buying a stock won't entitle you to the upcoming dividend payment. So if you want that sweet dividend money, you better buy that stock before the ex-dividend day. And remember, the stock's price usually drops by the amount of the dividend on the ex-dividend day. But don't panic, this is just a temporary dip and the price tends to bounce back. So investors, always remember to investigate the company's management, keep these important dates in mind, and don't forget to celebrate when that dividend check arrives in the mail. Happy investing! Thank you all for joining us today to learn about dividend investing. We hope you found this content useful and informative. Remember, investing in dividend stocks can be a great way to generate passive income, but it is important to do your research and understand the risks involved. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and stay updated on our latest content. Also, we would like to hear your thoughts and comments on dividend investing or any other related topics. Feel free to share your ideas with others in the comments section below and let's continue the discussion. Thank you for watching.